for the review request, right? You have that option within Helium 10, and you can put a lot of filters. So just to give us an overview how it works and how sellers can utilize that function.
My personal recommendation, this is just me as an Amazon seller myself, is I use it, but I do not do the custom emails, even though Helium 10 has that option. And I used to. The reason is, for the last 3 years, Amazon has been very inconsistent with how it polices that. You could have something that is 100% okay, but maybe one auditor in Amazon will say, oh yeah, of course, this is no problem. And then another person looks at the same message and says, all right, you get 30-day ban from sending messages because this is forbidden language. And this one is the wrong one. But because it's inconsistent, it's got to be a human, or maybe it's an AI who is not trained properly. What I do is I only use in follow-up the request to review. So that triggers the Amazon one, because then I know 100% I'm never going to have a problem. Is that going to convert as well as my custom email? Of course not. The Amazon custom template is not great. I can write something really cool to get their attention and like, don't open this email or something like that to get a good open rate. But for me, it's like better to just not have to worry, is some random Amazon employee going to close my buyer seller message? So I do the follow-up for request review, but the difference is compared to just clicking the button. Obviously, I'm automating it, but I can choose when it goes out. So if I have a diet pill, right? I don't want to send a request a review right after they get the product. It's going to be a negative review. Like, well, I didn't lose 10 pounds yet, so why this product sucks. So I'll be like, no, wait 25 days, to send it. But maybe I have like a party supply that I think, probably they're going to use it pretty fast. Okay, maybe I want that to deliver to them 5 days after the product arrives. So that's how a follow-up helps. It's not just the automation from having to one by one click the button, but it's like being able to, at the keyword or at the product level, say which ones you want to get the messages and when, and then stop messages like, hey, I don't want to send a request a review to somebody who refunded or canceled. Obviously they would probably leave a bad review, or maybe I only want to request a review to somebody who has ordered more than one time, because then the chances that it's a good review. So there's a lot of different customization you can do. Yeah,
that's great.